Hey everyone, and welcome to Do You Really Know Your Cables? Last time we talked about the 6.35 mm TRS jack and its double duties. Today, let's meet a connector that's more specialized and authoritative in the pro audio world, the XLR. You probably know it better as the Canon plug. If TRS is an all-rounder, the XLR is a specialist built purely for professional use. Right off the bat, the XLR looks completely different. A cylindrical metal connector with a precise locking mechanism. The most common version has 3 pins, so we're focusing on the XLR3 today. It has three key features: male and female design. The N with the pins is the male connector. The N with the holes is the female connector. The industry standard is that signal flows from male to female, so the output on the microphone is male, while the input on the mixer or audio interface is female. Locking latch. When you connect them, click. The latch secures it. It's super sturdy and won't come loose from pulling or vibration. This is why it's essential for live sounds. Born for balanced audio. Its 3 pins were designed from the ground up for balanced signal transmission. So, what does each pin on the XLR do? Pin 1, ground, handles shielding and the grounding. Pin 2, hot, carries the original positive phase audio signal. And pin 3, cold, carries the inverted negative phase signal. Does the structure sound familiar? Yep, it's exactly the same principle as a TRS cable in balance mode. By sending both original and inverted signals, the receiver merges them, canceling out any noise picked up along the way. But the XLR does this more purely and reliably. Its connection is more secure. The contact points are larger and is built for more insertions. Let's do a quick recap of the XLR core's advantages. Rugged and reliable. Metal shell and locking latch, built for tough life environment. Pro standard, designed for balanced transmission from a start with excellent noise rejection. In terms of balanced audio, the XLR and TRS are comrades, working on the same principle. But when it comes to professional dedication and reliability, the XLR is the more specialized one.